So how do you stay up to date with legislation affecting you? Or are there any specific websites, newsletters, or social media accounts that people use to keep up?
So it is one of the downsides of being an accountant is legislation changes over time. Like every single government budget, something comes into effect, which is going to affect one of our or multiple of our clients in different ways, different circumstances. Now, given say the budget that just recently passed, um, how we do it is I'll watch the budget live. Now it's boring as fuck, not gonna lie to you.
I can imagine.
I take notes on the back of it, obviously read my notes, try and understand how it's going to affect our clients, and then we'll post a newsletter out to our clients. We also have a newsletter which we publish ourselves every single week, how things are changing in the business world and how it's going to affect them. In terms of newsletters and specific websites, no, I don't typically use any other than HMRC legislation. We get the information from HMRC and then make it more digestible because I think there's a lot of things out there which you'll see prior to the budget is accounts on social media trying to pre-predict the budget. And my honest answer is a lot of it's bullshit. A lot of it's just clickbait. Like they're talking about VAT thresholds changing. Never happened. It never come to fruition. And it creates more worrying concern to businesses than it's actually worth because they're worrying about VAT thresholds changing when it didn't actually happen.
I want to know your takes on the dividends, what they did to dividends in the recent budget.
So they increased by 2%. So basic rate tax went from 8.75% to 10.75%. High rate went from 33.75 to 35.75. Honest and personal opinion is the Labour government was insistent that they're not going to tax the working people. Now, I don't know about you, but just because you're a limited company doesn't mean you're not a working person.
Yeah.
Now, it seems to be they've targeted business owners. I think every single budget in recent years target business owners and makes it more difficult in the UK to operate and run a business. As you'll see, so many people leave the UK to operate in places like Dubai, etc., etc. It becomes a less of a hot prospect in terms of operating and running a business from the UK. I don't know why they do that. We're supposed to be an entrepreneurial society, but it seems they discourage people from setting up businesses in the
It's
UK.
because